welcome back. Last time I was trying to make an anchor, but I couldn't. So I'm trying to make the shark now. So I'm gonna build it. So I don't need to do these because I don't have 2 of those. I only have 1. So let's do this. Those. We need this. We put this right here. Whoa. Where that came from? Is this up here? It was there, so you put it here? I know. I saw it. Okay, I see that. I need that. Now we just need that. Where is it? Right here. That was easy. I made it upside down and I didn't even know that. Oh, what template? Okay, we need another one of those. Right here. Now we need that and that. We need this, we need these to put on here and to put here. I don't want to connect it together because I don't want to connect it back again. So now we need these. Those 2. This. We need this. We need these 2 next. Now we need to put them right here. Now we need that. That was actually a little easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, now we need those 2. We need this and this. Now we need these. And put them right here. Like I made this 2 times already, so this is the 3rd time making it. Okay, that is that. I forgot this and what? Okay, that. I keep forgetting the second one here. I forgot the first one here. I'm always forgetting it. Okay, it's right there. Put it right here. And we put this right there. How many of those? That was easy. And move, and move. That was super easy. But that was actually a little bit easier than the eyes because those gray parts on the eyes and those parts, those are a little bit harder to find. No, they were just like these are easy. The gray parts for the eyes. 2. No, what's that? I don't know why it was keep going. Okay, right there. Ah, no! The hardest part to make it always go like up or down, this part, and we don't want that. On there, so it's like, it's not gonna go down, okay? But it is gonna go down. They don't, the people who make this one don't even know it's just gonna go like, ooh, 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 ooh. They don't know it's gonna go down or not. It can go down, but they don't, I don't even think they know. So why they made it if they don't know? And we put that right there, and we put this right here. Next we need that. And we already put these, and we need those too. Now we need this to put it right here. Now we need to do those. Okay. Trucks, the monster trucks. It can move like that. It moves like that. I know that already. I already know that. Whoa, don't fall off. Don't you fall off. All those, I don't think that's that much either. I think next week we're gonna do this again. Now we need this. Put it right here. Next is the last thing. We need this. Put it here, and then where do we put it? Okay, we put it right here. We put it right there. Yeah, I told you. Boom. Look, it's the same thing again. That's what I was doing the earlier pages. That's what I did the earlier page. R one, so we have to put the R way. After making all this of his tail, then after that it is actually the fin of the back fin. You know what? This part. The last thing you have to make is this part. That's the last part. Right now I'm making that. So it's just a little bit pages ahead for me. Okay, I was on the earlier page of this. I just need to put one. I just need this now. Put it right here. Whoa, why am I putting it there? Oh, wrong way. That would be weird if it's both these are the wrong way. That'll be weird. Now we just need those two. I need those three. Oh, first we need those. I forgot. Put these right there. Okay, now, oh, this is the earliest, this is the fastest thing you can build on the shark when you build it. So this is fastest thing. He's broken again. He's broken again. Oh no! Okay, now we just need these. Now we need these two. And we need another part. Where's that part? Behind here? No. Where is it? I don't know why I launched it. I like launched it. It did launch. It was like, it was right here. It was like, but I got it and I like, whoa! It was like that. It launched all the way there. I don't know why that happened. I never saw that before. I never happened. It actually never happened. Now we put it on the back. Okay, this works. Look! Now it looks even longer. Woohoo! It looks longer. But the megalodon is really big. Now, this is the last part. It's so easy. I already know what to do. Whoa, where's that part? Wait a minute. I'm missing a part. Meanwhile, it goes and I don't have it. It's not even wrong. Sometimes it's on the box. I don't know why, but they're making that so easy. Where's that thing? Where is it? It fell out? No, it's right here. Now I need these again. Actually, I didn't actually have these because I was using theirs, so that's why I bought it. But now we just need these. Again, why is it a lot of these you need? Why do I need a lot of these parts for making it? Oh. Especially the largest parts we need to make this. Let me think how much we need to make this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We used 14 of them. There's like only 2 more. There's 16. We need to use like 14 to make this whole thing. 14. I never had something that was 14 before, actually. Now, let me go to the next page. This is like the last page to make it. Here's these. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, okay, it's right here. Okay. Okay, it's right here. Let's do these. I think it's so easy to make. It's the easiest thing ever. The second tail is the easiest thing ever to make. That's what it is. The second tail. I mean, it's not a tail even. It's just a fin of the back fin. Like this. That part of it. It's so easy to build this. We don't even need the map to build this one. I don't even think so. I'm done. I'm done. This is how it looks. Now, let's do